This is Robert with All County Waterproofing in Springfield, New Jersey, where a client that we visited about 4 months prior was advised by his plumber just to put in a sump pump. A sump pump by itself will do absolutely nothing for water because there's no way for the water to actually get there. And you can see how this plumber installed the sump pump. And as you come over here, we'll take a look around. You will notice that there's water all around the perimeter. The basin was finished. We had now to take everything out. There was approximately 2 inches of water throughout the entire basement after the next rain. Remember, sump pumps by themselves will not work. You need a water management system. Water management system